Hey kids, welcome you to Kids Learning Classes. In Kids Learning Classes, today we will learn alphabets. So, let us learn alphabets. The first alphabet is what? A. First alphabet is A. A for apple. A for apple. A P P L E. Apple. Next, B. B for ball. B for B-A-L-L. B for ball. C. C for what? C for cat. C for C-A-T. C for cat. Meow. Next, D. D for what? Yes, D for dog. D for D-O-G. D for dog. E. E for what? E for elephant. E for E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. E for elephant. F. A for A for fan. F for F-A-N. F for fan. G. G for girl. G for girl. G-I-R-L. G for girl. H for horse. H for H-O-R-S-E. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. I for ice cream. Yummy. J for joker. J for J-O-K-E-R. J for joker. K. K for king. K for K-I-N-G. K for king. L. L for lion. L for L-I-O-N. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for M-O-N-K-E-Y. M for monkey. N. N for nest. Nest. N for N-E-S-T. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for O-W-L. O for owl. P. P for pig. P for P-I-G. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. Q for Q-U-E-E-N. Q for queen. R. R for rocket. R for R-O-C-K-E-T. R for rocket. S. S for sun. S for S-U-N. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for T-I-G-E-R. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for V-A-N. V for van. W for watch. W for WATCH. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for XRAY. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Y for YAK. Y for yuck. Jade for zebra. Z for ZEBRA. Z for zebra. Kids, today's class is over. Then we will discuss in next class. See you in next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care, kids.